In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add upsell in Shopify. We'll be using a popular app called Upsell and Cross-Sell Liaison, and I'll walk you through everything from installing the app to displaying your upsell on a product page. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see the main search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the drop-down, choose Apps. In the search field that appears, type Upsell. From the results in the Shopify App Store, look for Upsell and Cross-Sell Liaison. Click on it, then click to install the app. Follow the on-screen installation prompts. When the installation is complete, you'll be taken straight to the Liaison dashboard. On this dashboard, you should see a card indicating that the Liaison app embed is currently disabled. On the right side of that card, there's an Enable button. Click that. You'll be taken to your theme editor. On the left panel, find the Liaison app embed and make sure it's toggled on or enabled. Then click Save in the top right corner. After saving, look again at the left panel and click Manage App to go back to the Liaison dashboard. Now, in the top right corner of the Liaison dashboard, click Create Campaign. You'll see different types of campaigns you can add to your product page, cart page, checkout page, or even post-purchase. For this walkthrough, we'll choose Frequently Bought Together Classic. Click Create on that campaign, and it will open the campaign editor. Inside the campaign editor, start by giving your campaign a clear name so you can recognize it later. Under the trigger section, decide where this upsell should appear. You can apply it to all products, specific products, products with certain tags, or specific collections. You can also add conditions if you want more precise targeting. Next, under Offer, choose how you want to select products: manual selection, basic AI, or the Liaison AI option. For configuration, pick whether you want specific products or specific variants, then click Browse. A pop-up will appear letting you choose which products or variants to include. When you're done selecting, click Add at the bottom right. Move on to Campaign Settings. Here you can control options like showing a quantity picker, allowing customers to deselect the main product, whether items in the bundle should be pre-selected, randomizing the order of offered products, and limiting how many products are shown. Check or uncheck these based on how you want the offer to behave. Under Discounts, choose if you want no discount, a Liaison discount function, a dynamically created discount, or one of your existing Shopify discounts. If you choose any discounted option, configure the details such as discount type, percentage, code, and any buy X, get Y style rules. You can also schedule your campaign to run only during specific dates and times. Add a campaign title, a subtitle, and set the campaign priority if you're running multiple upsells on the same page. When everything looks good, click Save, either at the bottom right or near the search bar at the top. To place this upsell on your store, go back to your Shopify admin and look at the left panel. Click Online Store, then on your current theme, click Edit Theme. You're now in the theme editor. At the top, you'll see a page selector that usually defaults to Home Page. Click that selector, choose Products, then select Default Products so you can edit the standard product template. Wait for your product page preview to load. Once it's loaded, look to the left panel and find the product information section. Next to it, click the arrow to expand and reveal the blocks underneath. Under Product Details, click Add Block. A pop-up will appear. Switch to the Apps tab and select the upsell campaign you created. For example, the Frequently Bought Together Classic block. Once it's added, drag and drop that block to reposition it. A good spot is right before the buy button so customers see the offer before purchasing. Now look at the live preview on the right and make sure your upsell is visible, correctly styled, and showing the right products and discounts. If you're happy with how everything looks and functions, click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. Your upsell is now active on your product page and ready for your customers to use.